Hi friends, good evening. Today I'm going to show you some tools on Illustrator. Let's come to the start button and type Illustrator in the search bar and you can open it Illustrator. Yes, this is the interface where we can see the Illustrator. Come to the file new document and we have a shortcut key to open a new document. It's a Control N to create a new document. You can rename it and you can go for a profile. It's a print size and I'm just keeping a one artboard and the size will be the A4 and width and height will be the 210 by 297 mm. Why means it is the A4 size. Sir, mm I can't understand. I can go with the inches also. I can see the inches. It's 8.27 by 11.69. I can change my custom size. Like I can change into 12 by 15. Like that I can change it also. It will come as a custom. Okay. I'm just keeping like a default size. It's a A4 and it has in inches. Okay. And it is a color mode will be the CMYK and rastrafix will be the 300 ppi like resolution and preview mode will be the default. And I'm just clicking OK to creating a new artboard. Some tools we can see. Click here and you can draw it. You can draw the lines and we can select this line tool and we have a different type of styles as a line like this. See the edges, how can we see? And you can increase the size of the edge like this and like this, or otherwise you can go with a single uniform style. You can click as a uniform style and select it, and these are the styles of the strokes. These are the basic strokes. You can select this one and go to here and click it here. I need a arrows, I need a artistics, I need a borders, Bristol brush and decorative. Come to the decorative scatters. See, like this. You can say already it has been selected. You can click it. Automatically the effect will be applied to the line tool. Like this. Using with the predefined presets in the Docker window. This is the okay. And automatically the brushes, the decorative palettes will be opened. Again, you can open here directly the libraries. Again, you can open directly brushes. These are the styles of the brush we can see in the shape tools. These are all the shapes I am working. Line, arc. I can draw the arc like this, and you can increase the stroke of the arc, and you can take the styles of the arc. And rectangle spiral. Like this, the spiral brushes will be there. And come to the rectangle grid. This is a grid tool. And if you take a selection tool, the layer will be, the object will be selected. If you take a direct selection tool, only the step by step, the lines will be selected. I can adjust these lines. I can delete these lines and select it and delete. Like this, we can create the tables with a text tool also. If you want, again, I can duplicate take a direct selection tool and select only the line. I can duplicate. Holding the Alt and drag it, automatically it will duplicate. Or otherwise Control C, Control V. Copy, paste. Control C, copy, Control V, paste in the keyboard. And I can select the lines and I can change the color also. Here directly I can change it. Or otherwise you can go to the color Docker window here and you can change whatever the color you need. And this is called polar grid. Like this. And you can decrease the size of the polar grid. And these are all the basic shapes only. We can use where the requirement happens, then we use these shapes and these tools. Okay. And rectangle tool and rounded rectangle tools already we explained in the earlier sessions. Okay. Come to the paintbrush. What is paintbrush? We can draw the brushes. and already it has been, the preset has been applied for this brush. You can come to this here and you can change the presets. Select the line tool and you can change the presets. Click it here and keep it as a brush. Like this. That is called brush tool, paint brush. If there is a artist persons, they will come as a sketch levels in the mid of the sessions. We can see the some sketch levels also. And come to here, we have to use some blob brush. And what already we use the paint brush. We see here in paint brush there is only the stroke level. We can adjust the strokes. These are all the strokes. See, only the stroke is there. But come to the blob brush. It is not a stroke. It is a object. Now, to adjust this path points, we have to select a direct selection tool. Now you can select it. See, is it a stroke? It is not a stroke. It is completely filled object. Like this we can adjust. But for filled object like this we can take it. But stroke only, it is very flexible to adjust the path points very easily. This is one type of brush and this is one type of brush, and I can decrease the brush size also. Select it. I can decrease the brush size and I can increase the brush size. The both are similar only. One is paintbrush and second one is blob brush. And what is the size of the artboard size? The document size is, it's 8 by 11. And I would like to increase extra size of the document. Come to here, document setup, and you can give the edit artboards. Edit artboard. This is the artboard. Come to the edit artboard, and what is the size here? Width I am just giving 15. Like this it is increased, and height also I am increasing 10. Then take a move tool. Automatically we can increase the sizes. Now take a pencil tool. I can draw the like some names like this and some styles, some signatures using with the brushes. The pencil tool is used for a sketching purpose only and based on the requirements only. Like some hair part will be there. Like this, the hair parts. To creating a characters like this. Come to the Control Z, step backward, and Control Shift Z, step forward. Control Z, step backward. Control Shift Z, step forward. Control plus zoom in the document. Control minus zoom out the document. To fit the document, Control 0 to fit the document in the keyboard. These are the shortcuts. Okay.